In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PayPal merchant ID step by step. Your PayPal merchant ID is a unique identifier linked to your account, and it's often needed for connecting payment services, setting up online stores, or sharing your details securely with partners. It's different from your email address and different for every user, so knowing where to find it can save you time and help you avoid sharing sensitive information. Start by opening a web browser on your computer. If you're on a phone or tablet, don't use the PayPal app for this. Open a browser instead and go to paypal.com. For security, double check that the address bar shows the official site and that the connection is secure. Log into your PayPal account with your usual credentials, and if prompted, complete any two-step verification to protect your account. Once you're signed in on a computer, head to Settings by clicking the gear icon, usually located at the top right of the page. If you're using the mobile website, tap the three-line menu in the top left corner, then select Account Settings. This is the area where PayPal stores your account level details, including information you may need for integrations and support. From there, open the account section. On many accounts, you'll see a page that summarizes your profile and business information. Scroll down until you locate your merchant ID. It may appear under headings like account details or business information, depending on your account type and region. If your account is set up as a business account, tap or click the business information section and you'll see your PayPal merchant ID displayed there. If you plan to use the ID for website integrations or customer support, copy it carefully to avoid typos. While the merchant ID itself isn't a password, treat it like account information and avoid sharing it publicly. Keep it stored somewhere secure so you can access it again without repeating the process. Remember, this ID is unique to your account and will be different for each user, so make sure you're signed into the correct PayPal account before copying it. That's all there is to it. Open a browser, sign in on paypal.com, go to Settings, open the Account section, and scroll to find your merchant ID. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more clear, practical PayPal tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.